In my previous video, I broke down the top 3 products that are actually selling in my Etsy shop right now for Father's Day. T-shirts, mugs, and hats. I also shared a bunch of unique products that I'm currently testing within PRINTIFY, such as car accessories and golf-related products for this niche as well. So if you didn't check it out, you definitely want to go watch that one first, because in this one, we are taking things even further. Because here's the thing, it's not about just adding world's best dad or best dad ever on a t-shirt or a mug and just hoping that it sells, because that market is saturated. Everybody has done it. Gone are the days where you can just put a simple phrase on a shirt and it sells. If you actually want to stand out and, more importantly, make real sales, you need to start thinking differently. You need to go more micro niche, more targeted, and get more creative on how you position your designs. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the top trends that you should be combining with those top products to maximize your sales this Father's Day season. And not just that, we're also going to talk about how to make these designs and products evergreen, which means that they will sell all year round, not just for this specific holiday. Let's get into it. Before we even talk about specific products, we need to talk about this one concept that I call trend stacking. This is where most people go wrong. They will pick one idea, let's say funny dad shirt, and they'll stop there. But the real winners on Etsy are combining multiple angles. So here's some examples. So not just dad shirt, but gamer dad plus new dad plus a funny phrase. That's how you're gonna stand out. So everything I'm about to show you, don't use it just once. We're going to layer it. Let's start with t-shirts, because these are my top sellers at the moment. So the first trend we're going to talk about is matching sets. This is what I want you to think about. Dad plus baby, dad plus kid. You know the shirts you've seen all over Etsy, like copy paste and player 1, player 2. These sell like crazy because people aren't just buying a shirt. They're buying a moment or an experience. They're picturing their loved ones wearing these matching sets together. But we're not done just yet. We're going to stack that with a niche. Some examples are gamer dad, gym dad, fishing dad. This is where it gets really powerful. The second trend is dad identity designs. Instead of generic phrases, think in terms of identity. Golf dad, car guy dad, coffee dad. And for these, instead of making it look like a joke shirt, you want to make it look more like a brand. So using vintage badges or minimal logos or like club style designs. And here are some examples. Dad Golf Club, Grill Department, Fatherhood Supply Co. These types of shirts feel more wearable for the person receiving it. It's not just giftable. This third trend, which is huge for me, is new dad or first Father's Day. And you have to think, usually it's not the dad purchasing it. Typically it's like a family member or a partner. And for these, instead of going heavy on humor, you want to lean more into like specific dates, established 2026 or promoted to dad or first Father's Day. And when you combine this with matching baby onesies, you're going to get a higher order value. That one new order is now 2 or 3 shirts. The fourth trend is hyper-specific humor. You want to get really specific. So some examples might be grill surgeon, and even better, tie it to a niche. So different professions or different hobbies like IT dad or construction dad or gym dad. The more specific you are, the more sales you will get. If you're still here with me, can you do me a favor in the comment section below, type trends in all caps? That way I know that you are still here with me enjoying my video, and it also helps give this video a little push in the YouTube algorithm to help more Etsy sellers like you. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to mugs. Mugs are a little bit different because these are daily use products, so the design has to match on a personal level. A lot of mugs sell well when they are emotional or sentimental, so pairing it with kids' names or special messages, these do really well because they feel personal and meaningful. The second trend for these is personalization. Personalization goes a long way on Etsy. The second I started adding personalization, I doubled, tripled my sales. Again, you can have names printed on the mug or the birth years, photographs. You will definitely increase conversions by allowing personalization. And the third trend for mugs is related humor. But again, you want to make it specific. So maybe coffee jokes or tired dad humor or do not disturb before coffee types of phrases. Mugs are perfect for humor that people want to see every morning. All right, now let's get into hats. This is where a lot of people mess up. Hats are not for big, complicated designs. They need to be simple and clean. So the first trend is going to be minimalist text. Keep it simple. Dad, father, established 2026. Short, clean, straight to the point. Now, those examples are pretty saturated already, I'm not gonna lie. So let's take it a step further into trend number 2 for hats. And that would be identity keywords. So this ties in with what we talked about earlier. Some examples here would be golf dad, dog dad, grill master, coach. Think of hats like labels that someone wants to wear every day. The next trend for hats is subtle personalization. Again, small details here, the year established, initials, tiny embroidery style text. The theme for hats is keep it simple. Again, make sure to go back and watch my previous video where I go more into detail about these products. I especially like to use PRINTIFY, this specific cap right here, because I can add embroidery. Now here's where everything clicks. You don't just take one of these trends, you're going to combine them. Here's some examples. Gamer plus new dad plus matching set. Goth plus minimalist plus hat. Funny plus profession plus mug. That's how you're going to create products that actually stick out in the search results. So if you take anything away from this video, I want you to stop thinking about the product itself and start thinking of it in terms of angles. Because the product itself, a t-shirt, a mug, a hat, that's just the canvas. What actually sells is how specific, how relatable, how unique your idea is. If you can stack trends, target micro niches, and make your designs feel personal, you're winning. You're not just competing anymore. You will definitely stand out. And that's exactly what you need going into Father's Day. This is exactly how you stand out in the so-called saturated niches. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below. If this video helped you, please give me a like, subscribe for more print on demand content, and I hope to see you in the next video.